Going to go over the process of installing zipper silencers. These come in 2 packs, 4 packs, and 10 packs in both coyote brown and black. What you're going to get are 9-inch pieces of positive locking cord. We've gone ahead and melted and flattened the ends to make the install process easier for you. Here I've got a Spiritus back panel. I've gone ahead and replaced all of my zipper pulls with our zipper silencers. And I'm going to show you this one last one here. Take a pair of snips, pliers, and something like that, and go ahead and cut off the existing zipper pull. It might require you to use a pair of pliers to get out the piece of the zipper, but these are usually not too difficult to remove. Okay. Once you've done that, take your zipper silencer, take one of the flattened ends, and feed it through the zipper. In this case, it went through easily. For smaller zippers, you might need to use a pair of pliers to feed it through. Go ahead and match up your ends. And from here, you're going to tie a double overhand knot. Now, these are longer than what you probably need. We're going to cut them down here in a second, but set it to whatever length makes sense for your application. When you do this overhand knot, try to keep the 2 pieces together so you get a nice tight knot where they don't overlap, like this, and go ahead and cinch it down. Work these in until the knot is really tight. I'm now going to go ahead and cut off this excess. And then burn it to stop excess fraying. And that's how you install a zipper silencer. Now your zipper pulls will not make any noise.